Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? This is live price prediction of Vechain coin, my brother, and absolutely in this video I will give you, my friend, something very special news for all Vechain holder, my brothers, to try to understand, and must watch this all video completely to understand better now, my brother. And this time, as you can see here, the Vechain price, my brother, is very badly decreased down, and definitely, my friend, after a short fail, every coin, well, my friend, the holder are starting selling, so my friend, it will be completely dumps down. So therefore, as you can see, my brother, weekend absolutely, my friend, and as you can see here, July 16, July 11 to July 20, my brother, the price is very badly fares down. So therefore, if my friends, tomorrow, my friend, weekend will also starting fails down, so don't worry, my brother. Absolutely, my friend, at the end of month, in last 10 days of month, every coin, my friend, will starting moving upward now, and definitely they come on the ground. So therefore, I am 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time they will starting moving upward, and they cannot stop here now. So please, my friends, don't worry, you need to go slowly, and absolutely, my friend, if you invest just in only, my friend, for example, $10,000, so that's, my friend, a very good for you, my brother. The price is very cheap now, 0.10 1 USD dollars. It's a very price cheap now. So if you just only, my friend, invest 1 USD dollars, remember they will give you, I think something 11 to 5, my friend, VeChain coin, my brother. So please, start from very low, my brother. I hope at the end, if you just, my friend, buy it at the last, my friend, 21 August, and sell it at the end of month. So I'm 100% sure, my brother, so they will give you very good profit now. Please don't, my friends, try to starting selling. If you starting selling, so this time you can see the price will be increasing, and definitely tomorrow, my friend, you want to buy it, but it's impossible, my brother. So kindly hold on, my brother, please invest now, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.